Back doing another review. Yellowbird. Sriracha. Yellowbird's been around for a while. I know they go and do conventions and stuff like that. They seem like very nice people. I've had their other products. Nothing is like massive super hot. It's more of everyday sauce, family stuff, family style. Hang out with the kids. Kids, the only time that they shut their mouth is when they eat. So you want to make sure they eat because it gives you peace and quiet. I don't have any kids, but I know what parents go through. All right, so let's get to the ingredients. Ingredients: organic jalapenos, organic distilled vinegar, organic garlic, organic dates, organic raisins, salt, organic tangerine juice, organic lime juice concentrate. So I think what they're saying is it's organic. You have to be certified to be organic. I think it's like if you make over $5,000 a year in a company, you have to be certified organic to even put it on a label, something like that. Government owns that word. I'm not getting into those subjects, but when I hear organic, you have to be certified. You know, I might as well take opportunities and talk about stuff that I know about into little side subjects. Maybe I'll make these videos more interesting. Let me know in the comment sections. You know, I know of a company, I don't mention names, a newer company that popped up. They're a legit company, and they're newer, and they're like, we're organic, but they're not certified. So, yeah, they might be, but you can't use it. Can't use that word. So anyway, somebody gets into the thing with these people, and they're like, well, we're organic because our supplier is certified organic. Well, that's not how that works. Somebody's like, okay, what do you use? And they're like, Fox Farm products. Not all Fox Farm products is organic. And they said the list of stuff they use. You know, technically, if you use all organic, you're organic. But you still have to be certified for it to use that word. It's crazy, right? But these people were using products that aren't even certified. Anyway, I don't mean to get in that tangent stuff, but, you know, what the heck? It was on my mind. I'm going to put it on video. I don't care. So, try to rationalize with somebody who doesn't care, you're not going to get anywhere. Good luck. But that's what made me think of that. Organics, it's a good word. That's a cool little yellow bird on there. Like Tweety Bird. And look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. So, I've blah 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 enough. I'm going to open this up. It's sealed. Safety seals, they're important. Peel it, still some. First thing I do, I'm going to smell it. It has like a smoky, sweet smell. Put this bad boy back on. Maybe I should, whoa, move the camera a little bit further back. I got a spoon. Ooh, don't spill it. Sweetness. I taste the lime. Like I said, you want that levels of flavorness. Okay, it's all coming together. Sweet, lime, and everything else just kind of came together. Jalapenos. Tasted it. Solid. This is a good sauce. This is a good sauce. The hell with talking, I'm going back more. This stuff's good. It's not super hot, but it's tasty. The stuff is tasty. I like it. I seriously like this stuff. I'm surprised. I do taste a little bit of the dates in there. Like I said, in many other videos, you want to be able to taste the other ingredients. I don't know what the deal is with some sauce makers. I know when I first came into the pepper community, like on Facebook, there was a sauce company. Sometimes I feel I can talk about other companies, I just don't mention their names if there's anything negative. And it's not about bashing, it's about, pay attention. If you want to be a sauce maker and stuff, keep these things in mind. The company's a solid company. The one company I'm thinking about, it seems like they make a tasty sauce, but they put extract in it. It ruins it for me. I'm not an extract person. Just not an extract person. I taste, it's like a tinny flavor. Tinny alcohol flavor. I'm not into it. You ruin the sauce. Although a couple of their sauces are pretty good. But then they started losing me again with obnoxious labels, just disgusting labels. That doesn't turn me on. I like good food. I'm a little overweight, so it's the truth. Come on, folks. Hey, would you please? Like, really? I like to see sauce labels with a little bit of class. Not something vile, But this is nice and simple label. This is a little bit more, got that cool stuff on the side. The peppers, kind of a purple, red, yellow. Yeah, this stuff's good. This stuff's good. I like it. It's a nice flavor. It really is. Flavor? Holy shit. I'm giving it a 9. Heat? I'm giving it a 3. This is good stuff. Well done. Well done. Hashtag Pickles approved. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. You want seeds? Isolated seeds, jppepperseeds.com. And I approve of this.